Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Wednesday, November 22nd, 2023. It is 4:39 and 48 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, cellular evolution. So let's jump to it here. Looking for Luca and the timing of cellular evolution, date November 21st, 2023. Source, Royal Netherlands Institute for Sea Research. Luca, the last universal common ancestor of all living organisms, lived 4.32 to at most 4.52 billion years ago. What Luca looked like is unknown, but it must have been a cell with, among others, ribosomal proteins and the ATP synthase. And this new dating of the primordial form of all life is dramatically different from previous estimates. Dating is increasingly uncertain towards the root of the tree of life. Archaea are often called ancient bacteria that would suggest that they stem from an ancestor that is older than the one of the day's bacteria, but with this improved dating approach, they see the ancestor of all current Archaea lived between 3.37 and 3.95 billion years ago. And this makes the last common ancestor of known Archaea younger than the one of all bacteria, which lived between 4.05 and 4.49 billion years back. And this suggests that earlier Archaea either died out or they lived somewhere hidden on Earth where we have not found them yet. The eukaryotes breeding cells with a nucleus, such as all plants and animals, had their last common ancestor between 1.84 to 1.93 billion years back. If you imagine all life on Earth as a family tree, Luca is at the base, and at some point, the trunk splits into bacterial and an archaeal branch. Eukaryotes are not a separate branch on this tree of life, but rather a fusion of two branches that came out of the bacterial and the archaeal branches. We have a bit of both in us. New estimates for the age of the archaeal and bacterial ancestors of eukaryotes will help to improve our models on eukaryotic origins. The new way of viewing the tree of life helps us track how cells have evolved over time on Earth. It also gives us a foundation to figure out what those early microbes did in their old environments and how their evolution is linked to natural history. Insights into the role of both ancient and extant microbes and nutrient cycling can help to better understand and predict future biodiversification in a changing environment, including climate warming. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.